So in conclusion, we're seeing, what does this mean for buyers and sellers? Well, interest rate, we haven't talked about interest rates out of all this. Normally interest rates is a headline here and one of the topics we're talking about. And interest rates started to go up and they came back down a little bit. Now they seem to be leveling off and there's talk that they may be stable for 6 months, so who knows. But if you add interest rate risk to it, that makes these three trends more amplified. So what does that mean if you're a buyer? If you're a buyer in this market and you think that you're going to get a better deal, you may not. It may be a really good time to, if you find a deal that you like, to jump on it and buy it because of the interest rate, and because if this bid-ask gap widens, what will happen is sellers, like I said, sellers think it's 2017, and if you think you're going to get a better deal if you wait, we could be in a spot where the sellers could still be up here on price, and you may be down here on your offer. So if you find a deal that you like, jump on it and get it while the interest rates are low. What does it mean if you're a seller? Well, if you amplify these three things with rents being under pressure and not going up, and supply issues where there's more supply coming on the market and the buyers are asking or offering a lower price, it means if you're a seller and you're considering and you're on the fence, now may be a really good time with interest rates as well. So it's still a really, I would call it a unique window in the market where it behooves buyers and sellers to do things that they want to do in this time frame to make transactions. Some buyers don't want to buy in this market because they're concerned about the cap rates. If you're not a buyer now, you may not be a buyer for this market for a long time. Who knows? So it all depends on what your goals are. And we talk about that all the time. What are your goals, and really getting clear on your goals. And the best thing I can say is really get clear on your goals, knowing that we're probably going out of this cycle that was just a full-blown, full-bore, incredible seller's market into more of a balanced market.